Alright, hey, so I'm showing you the Balisong comb and how to make sure the screws don't get loose and fall out on you, because that would be kind of bad. So, what you first need is a screwdriver that can actually take out these 4 screws. I'm using a jeweler's screwdriver. You can use like a hex screwdriver. I think it's like a 1/15 or 16th millimeter, something like that. Take this out. Okay, top screw's quite a bit bigger, so you'll remember. Just leave it like this. Okay, so this part goes into here. So what I'm going to do is keep this from getting loose. Apply a tiny bit of glue and get this opened. See here. I got it open. Now, what we're going to do, I should probably get some paper so I don't mess up my table. Alrighty then, got this for candle set. Put this screw here. Just a little dab of glue. Make sure it goes all the way around. Let's see if I can get it closer. Try to get it on both sides so it will be even. It's really hard to move this thing. Alright. Don't really need it on the top, that causes problems. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, put this bottom part back in here, making sure it's right. You can check if the two sides look the same. Alright, it's a little bit more difficult than I thought it'd be to get it back in. Let's see if there's treads on here. No. Alright. Make sure it's center. There we go. Push it in. Now we got our glue covered screw. Just on the treads, make sure it's not on the actual end part. Alright, put that here. Oh, I'll show you. Put that there. Tighten it up. Okay. Well, make sure you have some pressure here so it doesn't start spinning. You want to make sure this thing actually goes in. If you have a screwdriver, you can put it in there. Okay, make sure you go in straight, otherwise you'll get stuck. That's what happened to me. Alright, make sure it's nice and loose. If it's not loose, then just loosen it up a bit. Alright, there we go. That side's good. So take out the other side. I'm on the latch side now. Pull it out, pop, and push the other side out. There we go. Dab of glue on each side. And you know the drill. It's best to put this side in first. It just makes everything a lot easier. Make sure it goes in straight. Now we take this, which has still a little bit of glue on it. Pop it on top. Make sure it goes in straight and twist it in. Test its flexibility. It's pretty good. There we go. Now we just gotta let it dry. And that should be it.